Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are keeping fine and enjoying your vacation with your family. But yes, you must be getting bored sitting at home all day, right? So, to remove your boredom, I have come up with an excellent idea, that is making ship out of paper, that is paper art. Fine. And for that, we need four things. One is white paper, sketch pen, scissor and gum. Now to begin with, we will take the white paper, fold it diagonally this way, give it a little press this way. Now we will remove this extra piece of paper by cutting it. Now kids, don't use the scissor by yourself. Ask your parents to help you out for cutting this. Now we have the square paper which has been folded this way. Now we will fold it diagonally the other way. We'll match the corners and then give it a little press. Now the square paper is folded both the ways, this way as well as this way. Now we will take one corner of this paper, any of the four corners. I'll be taking this corner and I'll fold this way till the middle of the paper. Give it a little press. Now fold the same paper downwards this way. Now again fold this paper upwards in such a way that a little portion is seen outside the line. Got it? Now we have all these folds here. Now keeping this portion here, we will fold it this way, keeping the folded portion inside. Match the corners here and then give a little press. Okay. Now the portion that is outside the paper, we will keep it upwards and then we will fold the paper in such a way that it gives the shape of a ship. In this way. Give it a little press this way. Yes. Now, can you see it? Does this look like a ship? Fine. But only from one side. The other side is not the same. So, we will make both the sides same by again folding it 2 to 3 times in some other ways. Now, after folding it this way, we will again open this, flip it, and then again fold it in such a way that it gives the shape of a ship. Got it? So both the ways we will be folding, this way and then the other way too. Got it? Now what we will be doing, we will open this way. This folded portion should go at the back. Turn it this way and the portion that is protruding out, we will just push it in this way. Fold it and put it here and then just give a small press. Again, I'll be showing it. This portion goes down, the folded portion. This is at the back, and here we will hold both the sides and then give it a small push this way. Yes, and then we'll press all the ends so that it gets into a proper shape. Now, does it look like a ship from both the sides? Right? Okay. Now, it's open from this side. So, what we will do? We will just take a feather stick and paste the ends. Yes. Now, this looks like a ship, right? Okay, but this ship is not so colorful, and kids always like things that are colorful, right? So we'll make this ship a little colorful. We'll take some of the colors whichever you like, you can take that. We'll make small windows here for the passengers to look out. Yes, and then we will color this. Do this at the back side also. Now we'll add some more colors to it. Okay, make some circles here. Do the same at the back. Now we'll give it a border. Do it the same way at the back. You can even use more colors and make it more colorful. Yes, our ship is ready to sail. Isn't it beautiful? Try this at home and enjoy your vacation. Bye-bye.